Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. The other day I was walking through the liquor store and I was checking out the bourbons and whiskeys, which unfortunately I usually do first when I go in a liquor store to see what they have. And I ran across this Skrewball peanut butter whiskey. So then my mind started going and I'm like, what do I got? I got to be able to find something for that. So I bought it, took it home, had a little bit of a taste, and it's really, really tasty. It's got a nice heavy peanut butter taste to it. Now it is just a whiskey. It's not a bourbon. There's really nothing deep and interesting and depth of flavors and all that. It's peanut butter. Okay, it's just peanut butter whiskey, but it's just downright fun. So here at SLB, we came up with two different old fashions for the peanut butter whiskey, and I'm going to show them to you real quick. Super easy, you can do them at home. All this stuff out here is relatively inexpensive, so you could do this on the cheap and real easy. So let's get started. The first one we're going to do is the peanut butter cup old fashioned. Yeah, peanut butter cup old fashioned. So we have our peanut butter whiskey. We're going to do 2 ounces of the peanut butter whiskey. Now with these particular cocktails, they're just specialty cocktails, so we're not doing bitters or anything else. Nothing fancy. Just easy stuff. Now I have a Ferretti chocolate liqueur, but whatever you have at home.
Chocolate. I remember when they first invented chocolate. Sweet, sweet chocolate.
Whatever your chocolate liqueur is at home, put a ½ ounce of that in your mixing glass. And the only thing I'm going to put in other than that is a ½ ounce of simple syrup. And that's it. Put some ice in our mixing glass. Get our mixing spoon. Our bar spoon, we're going to give it a stir. Again, no science to this, just kind of keep your fingers on the bottom of the glass, and when it feels nice and cold, it's going to be about right. Alright. Should do it. Just strain that right into our single rocks glass. I already have a nice thick ice cube in there. And that's that one. Now I have another mixing glass ready to go, so we can jump right into the next one. The next one's a peanut butter and jelly old fashioned. Who'd have thought? It's fantastic. Again, 2 ounces of the Skrewball peanut butter whiskey. Now, to achieve that jelly factor of the old fashioned, we're going to go with ½ ounce of Creme De Cassis. So that's going to give it a nice berry factor, berry flavor to the cocktail. ½ ounce. And again, like the peanut butter cup old fashioned, we're going to add a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Just get everything mellowed out. Get some ice in our mixing glass. Get our bar spoon and give it a twirl. We've had several get-togethers here at SLB, and to be honest with you, these peanut butter old fashions were like the hit. They're kind of desserty, you know, so they're sweet, but they're a showstopper. But very simple. All right, that should do it. Put that in our other single rocks glass. We already have our ice cube in there, ready to go. Now, for today we have no garnish, but you know, you can play around with it. Sometimes when I have Reese's Twix or Reese's sticks, the Reese's sticks, I'll lay a Reese's sticks on this peanut butter cup here, and you just have fun with it and play around with it. So whatever. But today we're having no garnish, so we'll give both of these a try. We'll try this peanut butter cup. Come on, I honestly don't know who wouldn't like that. I don't. Got a nice heavy peanut butter flavor in there, followed up its back end with that chocolate. I swear to God, it's like a peanut butter cup. It's amazing. Peanut butter and jelly. I mean, really. Honestly, God, that's like peanut butter and jelly. Got the peanut butter flavor with the Skrewball. You got the berry flavor with the Creme De Cassis. So there you have it. Something that's super fun, super easy. You can do it at home. Peanut butter cup old fashioned or the peanut butter and jelly old fashioned. Sure appreciate you watching today. Thank you so much. Please hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That would be an amazing help to the show. If you want a cocktail, if you have a suggestion for the show or maybe a cocktail you want us to try, leave it in the comments. We're happy to give it a shot. It'd be fun to try. You can follow us on Facebook. That's at SLB Basement Bourbon Bar, or Instagram at SLB Drinks. Once again, thank you so much for watching. We certainly appreciate it. We had fun today with these different kinds of peanut butter old fashions. As always, though, please drink responsibly. It's very important and very important to the show. See ya.